All right, afternoon or good morning, depending on when you're looking at this. Today we're going to learn how to insert images into our HTML file. If you look here, we did this stuff yesterday, and we're on step 3. We're going to add images. We're going to store them in an image folder, and then we're going to resize the images you inserted. So we're going to do this from now on by going off W3 Schools. I am not going to help you with the resizing the image. You're going to have to figure that out. So here we are in tutorial, and we're going to do images. So we're going to use W3 Schools. We're going to do images. The first time you can do is right off the internet. And if you do, you grab this one here, and you grab it off the internet. You just Control C, and we're going to put it in here. I'm going to put that there. Now I need to find my address, and let's say I want to find me. Here I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the web page site, and I'm going to right click, and I am going to copy image address. And then I am going to go back into my document where it says URL between the quotes here. I am going to paste it in, hit save. I'm going here. Oops. And there I am. All right, so how do we do this if I wasn't doing it off the internet? So say I had my image. I'm going to go back and I'm going to find my image. Okay. The first thing, I'm in my folder here. I went back, I'm in my documents. Here's my folder, right? I'm going to make a new, I'm going to save all your images into here, into this folder. I'll make it simple for now. So I'm going to go back and find my image of me. I'm going to right click, save image as. I'm going to find my documents and Saskis, and then here I'm going to keep it, I keep them simple. I try to keep it me, and you got to remember that the file name there is a JPEG, so a JPG when we're entering our files. So we hit save. Okay, now I'm going to go back to W3 Schools now and look at here. So I want to add my image here. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to take this up, point this in, and my image, I called it me JPG, right? And this all is when you're going to go over, for people who are blind, it should read the text. It doesn't do it in Chrome though. We got to figure out, we're going to find the alt text for that. That's going to be part of your assignment. All right, so with that, let's see what happens here. So it should be pretty much the same thing. Let's find a different image so we can see, actually. So I'm going to find a different image of me. Let's do this one so we can see the difference. A little bit bigger too, so that's going to be part of it. I'm going to want you to resave it. So save image as, we'll call it me too. Hit save. Okay, so and here I'm going to put me too, right? And now I hit save. I should go back to my web page now and hit refresh. Oh, look how big it is. So your goal would be to how to resize this, and somewhere on W3 Schools is how you do that. So you have to figure out how to resize a picture and make it smaller or bigger based on what you need. But a good thing to know is based on your font sizes here, on the pixels here, if you notice, this one was a big one. That's why I knew it was big, because when I'm clicking on them and going back here, it tells me 750 by 957, 163 by 280. That's a smaller one, so I knew this one was big. You can always go from bigger to smaller, but if I tried to make this small one bigger, that's when it's going to become all pixelated. So you have to pay attention to your images. Make sure you save them in a folder. I resave them with a name that's simple, and then I watch the file here because you have to type in the JPG afterwards. Okay, I hope this helps.